Good morning, my dears. Today's our topic is integers part 2, mathematics for class 9. Okay, so let's start operation on integers. As we know that there are four mathematical operations. There are four mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Similarly, there are four operations on integers: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first we see addition properties. Closure property: a plus b is equal to c, where A, B and C belongs to Z, where A, B and C belongs to Z. As for example, minus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer and minus 1 is also an integer. So if we add any two integer, so result also comes an integer. Commutative property: a plus b is equal to b plus a, where a, b belongs to z. As for example, minus 6 plus 5 is equal to minus 1, or 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. It means integers are closed under commutative property with addition. Integers are closed under addition. Associative property: a plus b plus c within bracket is equal to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c belongs to z. It means a, b, c are integers. Example: 6 plus within bracket minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 plus minus minus, so 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. It is LHS. It is LHS. Sign of equality, left side of sign of equality LHS and right side of sign of equality RHS. This is sign of equality or is equal to. Okay. Additive identity. Fourth property is additive identity. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, where a belongs to z. It means in any integer, if we add 0, so result comes that integer. As for example, minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus in bracket minus 2 is equal to minus 2 only. Minus 2 belongs to z. That is, 0 is called the additive identity. 0 is called the additive identity. Keep in mind. Property is 5. Fifth property: additive inverse. A plus minus a is equal to a minus a is equal to 0, where a belongs to z. Here minus a is the negative of a. Minus a is the negative of a, or minus a is called additive inverse of a. Result of additive inverse is 0. As for example, you can see, suppose 2 is an integer, its additive inverse minus 2. If we add, so our result is 0. Our result is 0. So result of additive inverse is 0. 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2 both are additive inverse of each other. 2 and minus 2 both are additive inverse of each other. Similarly, 4 and minus 4 both are additive inverse of each other. Similarly, a and minus a both are additive inverse of each other. Now, subtraction of integers. Subtraction is the addition of the additive inverse of an integer. Subtraction is the addition of additive inverse of an integer. As for example, let an integer be 2. Let an integer be 2. Its additive inverse will be minus 2. Subtraction, so minus plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we can say subtraction is the additive of the additive inverse of an integer. Now we are going to discuss about multiplication properties. Multiplication properties. Multiplication properties similarly as like addition properties, closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity. Instead of this multiplicative identity, instead of additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse means negative. Negative of an integer see closure property, multiplication properties. Multiplication properties. First closure property. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, so product will be also an integer. Generally, a into b is equal to c. A into b is equal to c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 6. So product of any two integer is also an integer. Commutative property, a into b is equal to b into a. Product of any two integer do not depend on order. As for example, 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. It is equal to 6 only. Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 6 only. Minus 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6 only. So commutative property, a into b, a cross b is equal to b cross a. Associative property, a cross in bracket b cross c is equal to a cross b in bracket c, where a, b, c are integers. As for example, 2 into minus 3 into 5 is equal to 5 into minus 3 minus 15, 2 into minus 15 minus 30. It is LHS. Now RHS we can see a cross b cross c is equal to a cross b 2 into b minus 3 into c 5. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 into 5 is equal to minus 30. Here we are getting the same result in the LHS and in the RHS. So we can say integers are closed under multiplication for associative property, commutative property, closure property. Now multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, A cross 1 is equal to A, where A belongs to Z. As for example, 2 cross 1 is equal to 2, minus 5 cross 1 is equal to minus 5. It means the product of an integer and 1 is that same integer itself. It means 2 into 1 is equal to 2 itself, minus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 5 itself. That is, 1 is called the multiplicative identity. In additive identity, if we add 0 with any integer, then comes that same integer itself, 2. Similarly, in the multiplicative identity, 1 is called multiplicative identity, and in the additive identity, 0 is called additive identity. 6 number properties. Multiplicative inverse. A into 1 by A is equal to 1. Here A is an integer and 1 by A is the reciprocal of that integer. So product will be 1. Product of an integer and its reciprocal is 1. Suppose minus 3 is an integer. Its reciprocal will be minus 1 upon 3 and product will be 1. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of minus 2, minus 1 upon 2. But opposite of minus 2, plus 2. Additive inverse of minus 2, plus 2. Negative of minus 2 is equal to 2. So reciprocal and opposite both are different. Division of integers. Integers are not closed under division. As for example, 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 does not belong to Z. 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. 2 belongs to Z. 2 belongs to Z. 1 upon 2 does not belong to Z. So integers are not closed under division. How to find the number of integers between two given integers? Let A and B be any two given integers such that A is greater than B. Then the number of integers between A and B is equal to A minus B minus 1. As for example, how many integers are between minus 11 and minus 54? Minus 11 and minus 54. So first of all, we decide which is greater. Here minus 11 is greater than minus 54. So A is equal to minus 11 because A is greater than B and B is equal to minus 54. Therefore, the number of integers is equal to minus 11 minus 54. B is negative already, that's why minus 54, and this minus comes from the formula. Minus 1 is equal to minus 11 plus 54 minus plus minus 1. 54 minus 11, 43 minus 1, 43 minus 1, 42. Similarly, we can find how many integers are between 32 and 9. So 32 is greater, so 32 minus 9 and minus 1. 32 minus 9, 12 minus 9, 3 and 2, 23 minus 1, 22. There are 22 integers between 32 and 9. How many integers are between minus 4 and minus 13? Minus 4 and plus 13 we take. How many integers are between minus 4 and 13? So 13 is greater, 13 is greater, so let's A and it let be B. A minus B minus B and minus 1. So 13 minus plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. There are 16 integers between minus 4 and 13. So I hope all of you have understood how to find the number of integers between two given integers. Thank you.